Hi, this is Jim at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we've got a 2022 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport powered with a Mercury 175 4-stroke engine. This has the safety rail and chain, fender clips, a large sun lounger seat. This has got the black acrylic table with wine glass holders. This has the sport arch, dual captain chairs, JL audio stereo system, digital throttle and shift, nice upholstery detailing in the seats. This 230 Sunliner Sport is in the sterling gray with a gray interior and gray flooring. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Look forward to seeing you.